Hi, Paul here from the Open Mind Institute. I hope you're keeping well. I'm the creator and facilitator of creating and sustaining mind fitness, and I thought I'd just put together this introduction video to give you some further information so you can make an informed choice as to whether this course is the right one for you. Prior to founding the Open Mind Institute, otherwise known as Tommy, I was a litigation lawyer for 10 years. And in that time, as a result of the pressure and ongoing stress that I felt, I dealt with mental health concerns of my own. However, fortunately for me, due to my background in behavioural science that I studied prior to studying the law, I was able to continue research and this curiosity that I had about the mind. I was able to extrapolate these mind tools that I'll use myself to pull myself out of those dark times. And eventually it reached a tipping point for me whereby I was getting more gratification out of teaching other people how to do the same from what I was receiving as a lawyer. So that's how the Open Mind Institute came about. But more about this course. So look, it's a very straightforward, short course consisting of only 8 videos. There are a number of downloadable documents, including a number of exercises and mind tools that you can use in order to start implementing vital resources and processes such as emotional and social intelligence, critical thinking, mindfulness practice. And some of the mind tools that are used can actually be used to stop overthinking and circumvent stress. And we have a number of breathing techniques and drafting your Who Am I paragraph, which is a real fundamental process in regards to creating your default self. So I hope that you find the course not only intriguing, but if you take up the 21-day challenge and call to action at the end of the course, I am confident that you are going to have the tools to not only create a greater sense of mental well-being and overall performance, but also you're going to be able to sustain this level of mind fitness. So that's it from me. I hope to see you in the future videos. Thank you. Take care.